Today, we're diving into 3 of the top printing applications: Noko Print Mobile, Hammer Print, and Print Hand Mobile. Let's explore how these apps can help you with all your printing needs. Noko Print Mobile. Noko Print Mobile is a powerful printing application that allows users to print documents, photos, and web pages directly from their Android devices. The app supports a wide range of printers, including those connected via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. Noko Print offers a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to select files for printing, adjust settings such as paper size and orientation, and preview documents before printing. Additionally, it supports various file formats, including PDF, Word, and images, making it versatile for different printing needs. Noko Print Mobile is ideal for users looking for a straightforward and efficient way to print from their smartphones. Hammer Print. Hammer Print is another excellent printing app that caters to a wide variety of printing tasks. This app allows users to print documents, photos, emails, and web pages easily from their Android devices. Hammer Print supports many printers, including those from major brands, and can connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. The app features an intuitive interface that simplifies the process of selecting files, adjusting print settings, and sending print jobs. Hammer Print also offers additional features, such as the ability to save documents as PDFs and print directly from cloud storage services like Google Drive and Dropbox. Overall, Hammer Print is a versatile solution for users who need a reliable printing app on the go. Print Hand Mobile. Print Hand Mobile is a comprehensive printing solution that allows users to print from their Android devices to a wide range of printers, including local and network printers. The app supports various file formats, including PDF, DOC, JPG, and more, making it suitable for printing documents, photos, and web pages. Print Hand Mobile features a straightforward interface with easy navigation, allowing users to select files and customize print settings effortlessly. It also offers advanced features such as print previews, the ability to scan documents, and support for wireless printing protocols like Google Cloud Print. Print Hand Mobile is perfect for users who require a robust and flexible printing solution for both personal and professional use. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best printing apps has helped you find the perfect solution for your Android device. Happy printing, and we'll see you in the next video.